In May and June of 2017, our trained cheese merchants traveled to Vermont to work side by side with the team at Grafton Village Cheese. Together, they made the first batch of Big Y Merchants Reserve Cheddar. Our cheese merchants were involved in the entire process. It has now been aged for 1 full year to give it a classic New England cheddar flavor, creamy, buttery, and balanced. Pair it with a medium-bodied wine such as Riesling, or use it to make the ultimate macaroni and cheese. The possibilities are endless. Stop by your local Big Y to give it a try.